doing? And welcome back to another Hungry Cuban Adventure video. This past week we were at the Tampa Super Show, the 2020 RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida. And we love going there. We go there and do videos and try to do get some new products and check out all the new rigs that are out there, and hopefully some good content that we can provide for you. So this year we had a couple products that we looked at, and we're always looking at stuff to make our life easier on the road. I think one of the biggest products that we all use on the RV, actually I did a whole series on water filters, and I'll link it right up here, where there's a company out there called Clear 2.0 that's coming out with a brand new filter. And they've come March, they're coming out with something that's even more interesting than that. On top of that filter is called the Dirt Guard. But instead of me trying to explain it to you, let me put one of the owners of the company, one of the operators of the company, and he can explain it better to you.
Hi, I'm Keith with Clear 2.0. To show you a couple of different things. One, we want to continue to talk about our inline filter, which is actually our green filter, which is a 1 micron solid carbon block filter. The difference is it actually goes down to 1 micron, takes care of all lead, takes care of all chlorine, takes care of anything and everything that you need, especially if you have hydrogen issues with hydrogen sulfide. It's going to allow you to be able to remove all those tastes and odors and smells, along with all of the different contaminants that come along with it. And this year we're actually introducing a brand new product, which is our Dirt Guard. And this now takes your normal carbon filter and is going to allow it to have a pre-filter as well. That pre-filter is going to be 20 microns, and it fits any carbon filter. So you can actually use this. The filter inside will be a 20 micron polyethylene filter and easily is able to sit. So your carbon filter will now go into your pre-filter, and this allows you a 2-stage filtration now. Very easy because it's in line, easy to hook up, and it's going to allow you to be able to do that. I'll give you an example. This is 1,000 gallons that have been treated. That's a brand new product overall, so it'll give you an idea of what you're trapping before you ever go into your carbon filter, which is going to allow your carbon filter to have about 20% more life overall. I don't know if this is able to be seen or not, but this is granular carbon. This is carbon that's actually inside most of the filters that are inline filters. Most of the filters you buy today are granular carbon. The difference between ourselves is we're solid carbon block. So we actually have a 1 micron solid carbon block, and that allows us to be able to give a much higher level of filtration as opposed to a granular carbon. So this allows us to therefore be able to pull out lead, pull out mercury, pull out all of the different contaminants that can be in your water, including chlorine. And it comes in an easy to use, normal inline filter, attaches at 3.5 gallons per minute, as opposed to the other ones that are out there that are 3.5 to 4 gallons per minute.
We don't have it yet. I'm waiting for the whole system. I want to be able to use the whole system. It's not going to be very expensive for the filter and that Dirt Guard. I'm waiting to get the whole thing so I can test it as a unit. But what I've done, actually the company gave me a 15% off coupon. There's a link in the bottom of the video. If you use that, go to the website, use that coupon, you'll get 15% off your first order. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and it might be something that you want to try out. Stay tuned, because we have some other products that we found at the RV show this year we thought were kind of interesting, and we'll be coming out with those very soon. Thanks again. If you're first time here, please subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified for your next video, and please leave us a comment on the type of videos that you like to see. Have a great day.